Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the Wi-Fi option or Wi-Fi feature a not showing on your Windows after update. So it can be a bug. There is a bug, especially Windows 11. Still, there is a bug out there. That's why I still use a Windows 10, even though next year Windows 10 is stopped its service, and maybe next a month or a next couple months I will upgrade my Windows. But if you have the issues, the Wi-Fi option or Wi-Fi feature not showing, there is a fix. How you can fix it? By try to run services.msc. You can click OK. So this is the services that you want to tweak, or adjust, and try to search the WLAN auto config here, and make sure it's running and automatic. You can double click. Startup type is automatic. You can apply and OK. And then if you need it, you can restart your PC or your laptop and see what happened. So if this not fix your problem, the Wi-Fi option not showing, you can uninstall the driver. You can go to device manager by search in the search filter. Here we go. This is device manager. So try to search a Wi-Fi driver here, and here we go. This is network adapter. This one, for example, I use a Wi-Fi dongle on my PC, so you can try to uninstall the device. And also, if you use a laptop, you can uninstall Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct virtual adapter. And after you uninstall this Microsoft or your dongle driver will be gone, and you can take action, scan for hardware change here. So the Microsoft or the wireless dongle driver will be in this list again, and then your Wi-Fi will show. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.